Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. Today's video, it's another unboxing. Today's video I want to actually share with you guys the latest purchase that I of these type of cups here. This is obviously for making lattes, and obviously you see me recently unbox these couple items over here. So I'm actually making myself a coffee, and today is kind of like, it's all about the experience. When brewing this type of French press type of coffee, I added 3 sugars. I know probably not the best idea, but I cannot have it without sugar, without creamer. Like, to me it doesn't taste that good. I also have added a little bit of cinnamon inside and a splash of hazelnut type of flavor right inside. So I'm actually trying something new. So this has been kind of like sitting already for about a couple minutes, and 4 minutes it's going to be completely done. I already have my frothed milk that's waiting for me. This is actually skim milk, by the way, guys. Does not make the best froth. However, that's all I have right now. So anyways, this is what we get. And guys, it's all about the experience. When you're drinking coffee, I don't know what it is, but at least for me, you know, if you got a really nice luxury cup, it makes you feel so much better. Now, I thought they're going to be feeling a lot heavier. They don't for some reason. They look like they're really heavily type of made. But these cups, guys, are just like, I'm surprised how light they are. I actually thought they're going to be much heavier. I could see that they're actually empty inside. There's actually kind of like there's an air pocket inside. I thought that's going to be glass. It does not disappoint me one bit. And I think I know why they made it like this, and now I could see why the price of them are kind of expensive. Just 2 cups like this, you're going to be looking at like 20 bucks. However, I got them on sale. There was a sale recently that's going on. I'm not sure if it's still going on Amazon. If it is, you know, check it out. But I kind of thought, okay, you know, 16, 17 bucks, not bad, you know, for a couple cups. So I ended up picking up a couple sets because we got a family of 4, and we love to drink coffee. And obviously they came in without breaking. So let's unbox all of them. And now let's make ourselves a latte. So here's my wife's Agnes's. This is mine. This is Jason's. And this is Kevin's. I'm going to be drinking today out of Kevin's cup. Guys, one of the reasons, I guess, there's air inside, and I didn't read nothing about it. I just bought them, guys, and that's it. It's so that the hot is going to be away from the wall. Like, the air is basically kind of like insulation. So let's go ahead and actually press some coffee. And this time, guys, I'm just making this unboxing, you know, just to share my coffee experience and kind of like my cups and stuff, because I would like to do a little bit more of, you know, like the experience and stuff, and even sometimes take you in the kitchen and possibly even, you know, cook some stuff together. I make like the best hot fudge, guys. It is actually delicious. I would like to teach you guys how to make it. And I really haven't just got around to that in making stuff in the kitchen, but when it comes to coffee, I love to have the best experience. Now this froth has basically turned back into milk because froth is nothing but milk bubbles. So let's see if we could get some of them. Looks like we're just not going to get any of the bubbles, but look at this perfect latte that I just overfilled, and it's spilling over here. Let me actually try that. Guys, I almost forgot. Like, I poured this into the cup, and my hand does not feel hot at all. Like, wow, like that's actually so amazing. I poured it in, I'm thinking, did it turn cold or something? I didn't even know that I was actually pouring coffee, guys. It only feels a little bit warm towards the top. Towards the bottom, guys, it's actually cool. That's actually pretty amazing. I haven't bought any cups that's similar to this by any means, guys. Like, there's no handles, and I thought this glass is just going to get like hot to drink, but it's not. They probably should have put that on the box or something. I don't know if they did. It just says latte macchiatos. There's some French words and stuff, but they did not even they did not point this feature out. I'm so surprised. Like, I bought them just because they're expensive. I like expensive things, and I kind of figured, man, they look good, and it's all about the experience for me. But you could probably go to dollar store and pick up some very similar type of cups, but they're gonna be completely glass and they're gonna look very similar. But to me, I'm thinking if I'm paying the price, then it must be good. I'm gonna get the experience out of it.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.